Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, August 23, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, August 23, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng August 23, 2023 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, August 23, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 82 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 80 million pesos for August 23, 2023, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Wednesday, August 23, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.